Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious condensed milk candy with just few simple ingredients. This candy is rich, creamy, and has the perfect chewy texture that makes it a favorite treat. So without wasting my time, let's dive right in. Alright, so for the recipe you need a cup of condensed milk. This is the base of our candy. It gives it rich and creamy texture. Then I have some nutmeg to enhance the taste. I'm gonna use about 2 tablespoons of butter. Butter gives the candy a smooth and silky texture. We'll start by adding my butter into a heated pan, okay? I'm going to allow it to melt completely. Once the butter melts, we'll go ahead to pour in my condensed milk. Next, we'll go in with a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Then go ahead to grate my nutmeg. You can use the powdered one, that works perfectly. We'll stir it continuously to ensure it mixes well with the batter. Quick tip, always keep stirring while making this candy to prevent it from burning or sticking to the pan. If left unattended, it can burn quickly. We'll keep stirring the mixture continuously over medium heat for about 30 minutes. As it cooks, the mixture will thicken and gradually change color from cream to a rich golden brown, okay? If you want this candy to be soft and chewy, remove it a little earlier. Okay? If you prefer a harder texture, let it cook for a few extra minutes until it thickens more. Once the candy is ready, we'll go ahead to pour it onto a grease tray. In this case, I'm using my chopping board, or you can pour it on a parchment paper. We'll let it cool down for about 5 to 6 minutes. Then start to shape your candy. But make sure you don't use your hand at this point because it's really hard and you can hurt yourself. So please use your spatula or just allow it to cool down a little bit if it's hard and roll to your preferred shape. Once the toffee cools completely, it's ready to enjoy. It has a rich, buttery, and slightly spiced flavor that melts in your mouth. This candy is perfect for snacking, gifting, or serving at any special occasion. So at this point, after I'm done rolling, I'm going to use my scissors to cut it right away because when you wait, it's going to be hardened and you won't be able to cut them. Okay, so while it's still soft, I'll go ahead to cut it into my preferred bite-sized pieces, okay, before it hardens. It's super easy, absolutely delicious. Try this out and let me know how it turns out in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the bell notification for more amazing recipes. Until next time, please stay blessed and happy. Bye, guys.